Today we're making low-carb, gluten-free microwave crackers. This recipe is made from the low-carb tortilla recipe. You'll need 220 grams of coconut flour, 50 grams of psyllium husk, 50 grams of flax meal, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. This yields 3 cups of dry mix. Store the mix in an airtight container. Add half a cup of the tortilla mix to a bowl. Add in 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Then add in 3/4 of a cup of boiling water and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix until ingredients have absorbed the water. Form the dough into a ball and cut into quarters. Roll each piece into a small ball and place the dough in between parchment paper. Flatten with a tortilla press. You can also roll the dough out to a 5 to 6 inch diameter. Score the cracker dough into quarters, sprinkle with salt. Place the cracker on a parchment-lined microwave-safe plate. Microwave for 2 minutes on one side. Flip the cracker and microwave for another minute on the other side. Serve with your favorite dip. Like and subscribe for more recipes.